Neil from Messick here to share a little strategy that I'm gonna have coming up here this spring. I have about 2 acres of grass to mow, and I'm lucky enough to have what is probably one of the most ridiculous zero-turn mowers on YouTube. I have a Ferris 3300, a 40-horse EFI 72-inch deck of my own machine, but I'm lucky enough to have this air-conditioned cab from Curtis here that'd be able to put on top of it. And that's a sponsored piece. I could never justify that myself. But let me tell you, it's awesome, and I've done a lot of videos on that in the past, but that's not why we're here today. We're here because over the years, I get continually annoyed by the amount of fertilizer that I have to put down on this grass. At $40 a bag and taking 8 to 9 bags to do most of my lawn, it really adds up fast. And so today, I've got a different strategy. We're gonna make my ridiculous zero-turn mower a little bit more ridiculous and show you one of the ways that I'm planning on saving a little bit of money here this spring.
Messick's a helping hand with your land.
So I'm making a couple of changes to my personal mowing setup here this year to address one specific problem. I have about 2 acres worth of grass in total, and you've seen me here on YouTube go and prep the soil, plant the seed, hydroseed everything down, maintain it every year. We've done a lot of stuff online with my yard, but now that we've done that for this long and I'm 2 or 3 years into having all of this established, I'd like to stop fertilizing it so often. At 8 or 9 bags at just about 40 bucks a bag, it really adds up to keep along with all of these schedules. And while I think I'm totally fine putting less fertilizer down, I'm still really concerned about having weeds come up. And so that's why we're gonna look at this. This is a spot spraying setup that I'm installing onto the back of my zero-turn mower. Let me show you how it works. This is from a company here that's local to us. This kit costs about $300, and it's a spot sprayer that we're gonna leave on the back of the mower. So as we're driving back and forth, you have a little electrical circuit that you can flip on or off in order to spray chemical out of this nozzle. Once you go through and you have this thing emptied, you just have this little container here in the back that you can unscrew, lift this right out and fill it right back up again with new stuff to drop back into the frame. So it's really easy. And it's gonna be really compatible with a lot of different mowers. You'll see here I have a hitch on the back. This just drops onto my hitch plate and bolts right into the rear. So one of the things I think is cool about this particular kit is what comes through here is the mounting frame, the tank, the pump, the nozzles, some wire to go to your battery, some wire to put a switch up onto your drive sticks. But if you'd like to set things up on your machine a little bit differently, it's really easy to make a couple of simple modifications to this. If you look here on my machine, I wanted to go through and have this work off of a foot pedal. So I have a little red button down here on the floor. Now, after I put that in, I realized that it was all too easy to set your foot on top of there and not realize that you left it there. So I also added a power switch back here that I can toggle the whole system on and off. So it's simple electronic components here. It's just 12-volt power that's going back to it, but a really simple piece to be able to customize depending on your specific machine and the way that you would like it to work. A simple adjustment can be made here in order to set this thing up to work with your particular mower deck. Me having a 72-inch deck needs more coverage here and width across the back of the machine. And so there's an adjustment plate on here that you can slide up or down to be able to change your spray width in order to match your mower deck so that you know you're getting coverage over top of your cutting area. So my overall hope here for this year is that by putting less fertilizer down the ground, I'm gonna save some money. And by having this little spot sprayer here kind of permanently on the back of my machine, I can hit the weeds as I see them going back and forth in the yard, get them quickly before they start to grow, and not treat this entire area with chemical anymore, and just hit the particular areas where I think the lawn is gonna benefit from it. So if you'd like to try a system like this on your machine, there'll be a link down here in the description to take you to messicks.com where you can pick up the kit of all the pieces here that you need to get started. So shopping for a piece of equipment we can help. If you got parts or service needs for machines you've already got, give us a call at Messick's. We're available at 800-222-3373 or online at messicks.com.